Dear student, let's understand the last part of this statement, that is the calculation of cash flow from financing activities. Now, as you all know, financing activities involve cash inflow and cash outflow from the capital items, and those are from the shareholders fund as well as from the loan or debt capital. Here see, in this statement what it is given, that equity shares last year was of rupees 2 lakh, now it is of 3 lakh. What it means, that during the year the shares has been issued to the tune of rupees 1 lakh. So what it will come? It will become the inflow of the cash from the financing activities. See here that issue of share is given 1 lakh, that is inflow of the cash from financing activity. Likewise to the second item, here it is given very simply that bank loan last year was 1 lakh, now it is 80,000. As at the onset, at the beginning of the question, I told you bank loan is a long-term liability, non-current liability. So last year the loan was of 1 lakh, now it is of 80,000. So what it means, that during the year 20,000 been repaid by the organization or by the enterprise. So that 20,000 which is paid, they are the outflow. So they will be shown here as a outflow. So we will write here that 20,000 with reference to the financial activities as bank loan paid in the minus A. Relating to the dividend paid, as I already told you, dividend paid must be shown as the outflow of the cash from the financing activity. So here it is 60,000 will be shown in the minus way. So this way, when we mutually adjust to these three items, we would find that cash from financing activities rupees 20,000, because issue of share is a plus item, bank loan paid is a cash outflow minus item, dividend paid again is a cash flow from the business outflow. So 60,000 is again minus. So the net effect of these three items is 20,000. Now what we will do, we will have the mutual adjustment of the all three major items which we had did, that is cash flow from operating activities. See here, the cash flow from the operating activities or operations is 1,80,000. After making all the adjustment, then cash flow from the investing activities, that is in minus 2,60,000. Cash flow from operation 1,80,000 is plus. Cash flow from the investing activities, which is outflow 2,60,000 minus. Then as we had calculated here, cash from financing activities 20,000 in plus. So when we mutually adjust these three items, 1,80,000 is plus, 20,000 is plus, 2,60,000 in minus, we would find that the mutual effect of cash and cash equivalent is 60,000. 60,000 is in minus, that it is outflow of the cash. Once again, 160 is plus, 20,000 is plus, 260 is minus, so minus is more. So the cash and cash equivalents effect, that is net decrease in cash and cash equivalents, rupees 60,000 in minus. Now we will add in this the opening balance of the cash and cash equivalent. Here it is given as per the balance sheet is 90,000 and closing is 30,000. Now 90,000 will be added here. You would find over there that 30,000 is the cash and cash equivalent at the end, as balance we had shown 90,000 plus of the beginning balance, 60,000 is a minus, then cash and cash equivalents at the end is 30,000. It is in plus. See, as per the statement, it is given 30,000. So dear students, this way we can solve the questions which are given with the additional information, and you could also check your answer in the examination and verify it when the automatically the closing and opening balances will verify as per the closing balance given here. See, 30,000 like this. You have to prepare the additional account wherever it is required as per the information given in the question. So I hope this way you will understand the concept and the lesson of cash flow statement. I request you to kindly practice all the illustration which are with only one or two additional information. I once again request you kindly practice only those illustration from the book which are having only one or two additional information, not more than one or two. Likewise, from the exercise you have to practice same way all those illustration which are having one or two additional information, but must practice all the questions which came earlier in the CBSE examination, in the ICSE examination, or as per the guidance note, or as per the CBSE sample paper. You must practice all those questions. Thank you very much. In our next class, I will continue with our remaining syllabus relating to the preparation of the comparative statements as well as the preparation of the common size statement. Till that, if you had any query, any doubt, kindly share with me. I am there always in your service and for your help. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.